Happy 2021. I'm Tank Latham, and this is Lisa Latham of the Lisa Latham team, brokered by eXp Realty.
We thought that it would be a good time to do the 2020 year in review, real estate year in review for Beaver County, and then kind of talk about what's going to happen here in 2021 with the Lisa Latham team and the real estate market here in Beaver County. So in 2020, there were 2,744 homes sold, and December 31st, there were still 212 homes pending to be closed out in probably early January, February. The median list price of homes was $164,900 or $164,900, and then the median sales price was $160,000. So homes were selling for right about 98.94% of what they were listed at. So not a lot of movement on price. So for those buyers that were looking to get a great deal, there really weren't a lot of great deals to be had, but the great deal was really wrapped up in the fact that we were getting such a great interest rate. And then the average days on market was about 32 for the homes that were on the market, with a total of $338,146,745 of real estate sold in Beaver County in 2020. So looking ahead, inventory is projected to remain low. We're still feeling the shortage. I could go out and sell 10 houses tomorrow if I could just find the right homes for our buyers. The interest rates are expected to remain at historical lows. So if you're a buyer, you can definitely buy a whole lot more house right now versus what you would wrap up paying in your mortgage. You can buy more house. So you can buy a more expensive house. So definitely it's a great time to buy if you're thinking about buying. It's a great time to sell if you're thinking about selling, because houses are selling just so quickly. You're not having to leave your house on the market for months and months with people going in and out. You just put your house on the market, and within a few days, usually you're getting some offers. So with that said, we need more houses to sell. So if you've been thinking about selling, please reach out to us. We are not high pressure. We're happy to do a complimentary, no obligation market analysis so you have a better idea of what your home is worth, and that can help you make the decision if now is the right time. So we're so grateful that you guys continue to refer us and trust us to help your friends and family. It's the greatest thing when we get a call and they say, Joe told us to call you. We really appreciate that, and we appreciate you for continuing to support our small business. And the deal I have with Jack is every time we sell a house, Jack gets a new toy. So the toys are starting to pile up.
We're going to need a new house.
So in 2020, we were able to help 43 families with their real estate goals. And we already have 5 homes at the end of this week that will have closed for January, and 4 more pending to close in the rest of January and February. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Out of those 43 homes that we sold, we took $100 from every closing that we have, and we donated it to the Adoption Connection in Beaver, and they were able to buy not with just our $4,300, but all of the staff members got a new computer at Adoption Connection, and we were glad and grateful to be able to support such a wonderful cause. They do wonderful things at Adoption Connection. If you're not familiar with them, look them up on Facebook. They have a clothing closet, and they can always use donations. So definitely look them up if you're looking for a place to support. Moving forward in 2021, for us, we've decided to change tides a little bit, and instead of giving all of our money to one organization, we've decided to kind of divvy it out amongst the county. I would say probably 3 or 4 times a month, I get messages from people on Facebook asking us to if we would be able to help with a cause, or somebody needs some help financially. And it's great that people look to us like that we're the helpers, because what did Mr. Rogers always say, Tank?
Turn to the helpers.
Yeah. So what a wonderful feeling that is to know that people think we are the helpers, and we're grateful to be able to be in that position to be able to help. So we've decided that we would Watch our Facebook feeds. Take some input from our friends and family. If you guys see someone that needs help, or maybe somebody that's just doing something really great in the community and maybe they need a reward, go ahead and send us that stuff. We're happy to look at it. And then we're just going to sit down one day a month and decide which causes we're going to support. I'm not promising you that we're going to support everything, because I have a feeling we may get flooded. And we'll just kind of go through and see which cause we think we could be, where we can make the most impact. So feel free to start watching for some of the things that we're going to be doing in the community. We love it here. We're glad to call it home. I never thought that I would live in Western Pennsylvania, but I'm glad that I do, and I'm glad to be a part of this community. So with that said, thanks for everything that you guys have done for us so far. We look forward to 2021 and helping everyone with their real estate needs, and also helping the community as well. You have anything to offer, Tank?
Looking forward to helping you out and all your family members as well.
Yeah. And hopefully we're working on some other big projects. We can't really say anything about them right now, but I do think that we will have one project that people will be just in awe, that if it actually comes together, it's still not put together, but if it comes together, I think that some people will be just wow. Now I'm wow, so I think you guys would be wowed too. All right, so have a great day, have a great week, have a great 2021, and we look forward to talking to each and every one of you soon.